Starting an online business in 2025 doesn't require a degree, fancy skills, or a huge budget. Many people are launching successful ventures from their phones or laptops with almost no prior experience. Today, I'll walk you through 6 beginner-friendly online businesses you can start with little to no skills. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or ready to dive into entrepreneurship, this video has something for you. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First on our list is print on demand. This model is all about selling merchandise with your own designs without dealing with inventory, printing, or shipping. You create a design and upload it to a print-on-demand platform. These platforms handle all the printing, packaging, and shipping once an order is placed. You don't need to be a designer. Tools like Canva offer pre-made templates to get you started. Upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Beginners can expect to make anywhere from $100 to $500 per month initially. The beauty of print on demand is that it's scalable, with some making thousands per month. It's incredibly low risk since you don't need to invest in inventory up front. Next up, affiliate marketing, which has the potential to generate serious passive income. It's all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you drive. Sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Pick products that align with your audience and get a unique affiliate link. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You can promote products through blog posts, YouTube videos, social media, or email lists. Beginners can realistically expect to make $50 to $300 per month with a few well-placed affiliate links. The possibilities are endless. Our third business idea is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a form of e-commerce where you sell products online without holding any inventory. Find a supplier who offers dropshipping services. Create an online store and list the supplier's products, setting your own prices. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles storage, packaging, and shipping. You keep the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. Find a reliable dropshipping supplier with high-quality products and fast shipping times. Beginners can expect to make $200 to $1,000 per month, with potential for much more. With the right product and marketing strategy, dropshipping stores can generate significant income. Let's talk about content curation pages. This is your ticket to building a thriving online presence and monetizing your passion without creating your own content. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like travel, fitness, or finance. Create a social media account and start curating relevant content. Repost or remix content using editing tools to add your unique spin. As you consistently share high-quality content, your page will attract followers. Monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling shoutouts, or creating your own products. Beginners can start making $200 to $500 per month with 10,000 to 20,000 followers. As your page grows, you can scale your earnings significantly. Once established, your content curation page can generate passive income for months or years. It's like having a money-making machine working for you 24/7. The potential is huge. Next up, low-content publishing, which has the potential to generate significant passive income. This isn't about creating subpar content. It's about simple, practical books that solve everyday problems. Think notebooks, journals, planners, and activity books. Use design tools like Canva to create the interior of your book. Create a cover and publish on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service, and you earn royalties on every sale. It's a low-cost, low-risk business model. Beginners can expect to make $100 to $400 per month initially, with potential for much more. Once published, your books can generate passive income for years. Finally, let's talk about freelance market arbitrage. This is perfect for those who love connecting the dots and profiting from the middleman role. Find clients who need work done and freelancers who can do that work. Connect the two parties and pocket the difference in price. Oversee the project to ensure satisfaction for both clients and freelancers. Find profitable niches with high demand for services and a large pool of freelancers. Beginners can expect to make $300 to $1,000 per month, with potential for much more. With experience, you can scale your earnings significantly. Starting an online business in 2025 doesn't require coding, design, or marketing experience. It just takes action, consistency, and the right tools. Pick one model and give it 30 days. Imagine where you could be a year from now if you started today. The world of online business is waiting for you.